How to share TikTok video on Facebook story. So if you want to share your TikTok video on your Facebook story, open up TikTok application first, and now you can head over to your profile. So if you just want to post your picture or post your video on your Facebook profile or your Facebook story, you're gonna have to find it on your profile. I haven't posted anything here, so I'm gonna pick out a video from my For You page. So let me just scroll down and here's the video. I can just tap on the share icon. But if you select Facebook from here, it's just going to open up your Facebook feed and not the story. So if you want to share this to your story, then you're going to have to tap on share. And then if you see a download button here, you could download the story. If not, the creator has turned off the downloads. So if you see the save video option, just tap on save video, but it's going to be saved with a watermark giving credit to the creator of the video. So once you have downloaded it, open up Facebook and go to your story and create a new story. I'm just going to tap on the video that I've just saved. And if you want, you could add audio and different kind of stickers. Simply tap on next. Now you have successfully posted or shared a TikTok video to your Facebook story. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.